go. There's bottom. Ooh, the wind just picked up. There's some big old gusts coming through. Holy cow, I'm gonna get blown away. It's crazy. Little dog. The little dog. She made it. She made it out. Little dog. Maybe go put some clothes on. It's fun out here. Alright. It's deep. I'm coming around to the front here. A little more wind out this way. I'm the only insane person out here, it looks like. We got some tree branches down. I'm gonna have to be careful. Alright. Tree branches all over the road. Clearly no snowplows have been by here in a while. It's deep out here though. Definitely deep. Alright, I'm trying away to the mailbox. See if I got some mail. Might as well since I'm out here doing it. Alright. You can see how high it's gone on the deck. Level is above my hand here. And that's just what's collected up there. This here, there's a mound of snow that goes right before the deck. That's a good 2 feet high. I mean, goes up to my shins for sure. This is just crazy. Alright, time to go back in.